The Open Systems Interconnection, or OSI logical model, defines 7 layers that computer systems use to communicate over a network. These layers are physical, data link, network, transport, session, presentation, and application. It's valuable to memorize the number, name, and function of each layer. The unique functions of each layer communicate and interact with other layers using clearly defined communication protocols. Layer 1 of the OSI model, which is called the physical layer, is the layer where the binary bits of zeros and ones cross any network medium, such as coax, Ethernet, fiber, Wi-Fi, cellular data, or satellite networks. Each of these network media types move the zeros and ones from one place to another using either electricity, light, or radio frequencies, and may use more than one. Layer 2 of the OSI model, the data link layer, is the layer that manages and controls getting information from one network interface to another. That may mean going directly from one computer to another or crossing network infrastructure, such as a network switch. It also detects if the information was sent or received incorrectly and tries to fix it. Layer 3 of the OSI model, the network layer, allows computer networking traffic to travel across one network to others. This is a process known as routing. The transport layer offers an array of features and protocols to move variable length data between different applications across a network, using things like flow control, error control, and acknowledgement, as well as transport protocols that can either be connection-oriented or connectionless. Collectively, these all ensure secure transfer while adhering to the defined quality of service standards. The transport layer does not impose stringent standards for dependability. UDP, for instance, is deployed in scenarios that permit some packet loss, misordering, mistakes, or duplication. Streaming media, multiplayer games, and VoIP are typical applications that are able to cope with dropped packets without damaging their viability of sequences and messages. TCP, on the other hand, is used when the data has to arrive complete and correct. At the session layer, 2 or more computers can establish a connection in a process known as session. It involves initializing the connection, maintaining control, and ultimately ending it. At the presentation layer, multiple operations take place to ensure compatibility across systems. This includes protocol conversion, compression and decompression of data, as well as alterations to graphic commands for representation between operating systems. This is also the layer where encryption and decryption of data happens. Encryption of data on computer networks is one of the major reasons we can use the internet for banking, finance, legal, and other secure transactions. Layer 7, the application layer, is the closest layer to the user, allowing direct communication between the two through software applications like email, web browsers, and spreadsheets. This layer grants users access to connectivity utilities for data exchange with the server. Thanks to this top layer of the OSI structure, everyday users are able to access a wide range of resources and applications online.